I hope everyone is doing okay during these quarantine times. But today we're gonna give a little bit of caffeine to our mornings. We're gonna make an iced coffee, and this is probably one of the best iced coffee you are ever going to make. So take some notes and let's get started. So let's start. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar, okay, and we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of hot water. Okay, so now we need a mixer. If you don't have one of these at home, you can use the regular mixer, the manual one. These use 2 sticks. I'm only gonna do 1 because I think it's enough to do this. And this is how the mix is supposed to look like, nothing crazy. Now we are gonna mix it all together. Okay, so it's ready now. Okay, so now we have our cup of ice. Put a little bit of ice because last time I made it, I put too much ice on it and it didn't come out really good. So put as much as almond milk that you like. I like the unsweetened almond milk, it's one of the best. Okay, so this is our coffee, and now we're gonna put the mix on it. Okay, so our iced coffee is ready. We're gonna mix it together. This is delicious. Well, and I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. I love it. This is my caffeine for the day. So if you get to make this recipe, tag me, or if you have any questions, send me a DM. And I'm from my home too, chilling with my PJs and with my beautiful pink hair. Bye bye.